Hi, you're welcome to GMats class. Let's solve this problem. 6 raised to the power of x minus 6 raised to the power of y equals to 1206. So we want to solve this. Now the first thing is to express this as multiple of 6. So now let's say we have this 6 raised to the power of x minus 6 raised to the power of y equals to 36 times 35. So we still need to work on this. So this will be 6 raised to the power of x minus 6 raised to the power of y equals to 6 raised to the power of 2 times 36 minus 1. 36 minus 1 is still the same thing as 35. So we have 6 raised to the power of x minus 6 raised to the power of y equals to 6 raised to the power of 2 times, now this is 6 raised to the power of 2 minus 6 raised to the power of 0. That's the same thing as 1. So we have expressed everything in terms of 6 now. So we can now open the brackets here. So we have 6 raised to the power of x minus 6 raised to the power of y equals to 6 raised to the power of 2 plus 2 times 6 raised to the power of 2 plus 0. Okay? So when you apply the law of indices, the powers we had themselves, okay, so the power here too, we also had itself with 0. So we have 6 raised to the power of x minus 6 raised to the power of y equals to, here we have 6 raised to the power of 4 minus 6 raised to the power of 2. 2 plus 0 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. Now you can now compare. So now we have x to be equals to 4 and y is equals to 2. So that's going to be the answer to the problem. Thanks for watching.